Good day to everyone. We are from Group 3 and our topic is question 17, which is about a customer who wants to save money in a fixed deposit account and the question that she would ask the banker, and the banker will explain clearly the process to the customer. First, I would like to introduce myself and my team members. My name is Tung Ziyu, matrix number 277548, and I will act as a banker, and Ko Shay Mei with matrix number 278140 will act as a customer, while Tiao Kia Yi with matrix number 280616 will act as a friend of the customer.
Kiai, did you know the interest rate on my CMB saving account for this month is only 2 ringgit? The interest rate is too low.
How much do you save in your saving account?
I have around 10,000 ringgit in my saving account, but I have only 2 ringgit interest. It is unbelievable. If I save my money for about 1 year, the interest rate will probably be around 20 ringgit only.
Why don't you try saving money in a fixed deposit account? The interest rate is much higher than a saving account and that is risk-free.
Oh, really? Why did you tell me earlier? What is the interest rate for the fixed deposit account?
I am not sure. Maybe about 2.5% a year. Much better than a saving account. You may go to the branch of your bank to ask for more details.
Sure, I will go to the branch by this afternoon. Thank you for the suggestion.
No problem.
Hi and welcome to CIMB Bank. What can I do for you today?
Hi, I would like to save my money in a fixed deposit account. Please let me know what the details are.
Sure, miss. For information, fixed deposit is a type of savings account that allows depositors to enjoy a fixed and higher rate of interest. Basically, customers are not allowed to withdraw or access their funds until the maturity period. Otherwise, no interest will be paid to the depositors. Several types of fixed deposits are available in our bank, such as unfixed deposits and 3 types of fixed return income account I, which are maturity returns, monthly returns, and Y-rate.
Oh, I see. Can I know more details about each type of fixed deposit?
Sure, let me explain to you. Firstly, unfixed deposit is a conventional fixed deposit which allows partial withdrawals and the interest is paid on maturity. Secondly, fixed return income account I for maturity returns, monthly returns, and Y-rates are Islamic fixed deposits. Both maturity returns and monthly returns allow you to make partial withdrawals with unfixed deposits while maintaining great profit rates. Moreover, with monthly returns, you can receive profit on your deposits monthly before the maturity dates, while Y-rate will benefit you with an instant cash payment or security deposit, which is equivalent to the agreed profit promptly when you sign up.
Wow, it may sound great, but how should I choose a fixed deposit account that suits me?
May I know what your concern is?
I'm having a really low interest on my saving account, although my saving is quite a lot. I wish to have a higher interest amount in my account.
Alright, I understand your requirement. In this case, I would recommend you to choose a fixed return income account (FRIAI) with monthly returns which operates in accordance with the Sharia principles in relation to commodity murabaha. It is currently offering the highest profit rate among all the types of fixed deposit as I have mentioned to you just now. This term deposit account will pay profit on monthly returns and invest your money in Sharia compliant activities. You can also enjoy flexibility as you can withdraw your money in multiples of 1,000 ringgit while maintaining the predetermined interest rate on the remaining balance.
Okay, may I know what is the requirement?
The minimum deposit placement is 1,000 ringgit and the deposit increment must be in multiples of 4 ringgit. The available tenure is 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 26, 48 or 60 months and a joint account is allowed.
Alright, what about the interest rate for the monthly return?
Okay, I'd like to notify you that it is called profit rate instead of interest rate because interest is strictly prohibited based on Sharia principle. The profit rate varies according to the tenure and this is a table of the profit rate per annum with its tenure in months that our bank offers. You may refer to it.
Wow, it seems so attractive. I would like to go for 12 months, which is at 2.85%, but I want to make sure for one thing. Is there any guarantee if I deposit my money in a fixed deposit in your bank? Because I'm worried that something terrible will happen in the future, like the bank going down or whatever, and I might not get my money back.
Don't worry about that. Our bank is one of the members of Perbadanan Insurance Deposit Malaysia (PIDM), and the fixed deposit is protected by PIDM up to 250,000 ringgit for each depositor when the bank becomes bankrupt. You may refer to the PIDM brochure for more information.
Alright, that's a relief. But I have one more question regarding the withdrawal before the maturity date. Is there any penalty if I withdraw earlier? And what should I do to withdraw the money?
For this fixed deposit, you are allowed to withdraw at a minimum of 1,000 ringgit and in multiples of 1,000 ringgit. However, no profit will be paid for the withdrawn amount. Besides, partial withdrawal is not available via CIMB clicks but can only be done over the counter at CIMB branches.
I see. Apart from this, is there any additional benefit?
Yes, the system will automatically renew after the maturity of the fixed deposit. However, you may request not to renew or roll over the fixed deposit at any branch. Besides, the customer has the option to pledge a certificate of deposits as security for financing. You can also choose the monthly profit payments to be made directly into affiliate Islamic or conventional account.
Wow, it sounds good. Can I just open a fixed deposit account through online banking? I can't miss this opportunity anymore.
Sure, you can just make your placement online using CIMB clicks on desktop or mobile apps if you have already owned a savings account in CIMB.
Alright, could you please guide me through the steps?
Sure. So first, log into CIMB clicks. Secondly, select Apply and Invest and then choose Fixed Deposit. And the third step is select product type and the amount and tenure. Next, key in the account to find the fixed deposit or fixed return income account I and select your choice for interest or profit payment mode. Lastly, read and acknowledge the declaration of PIDM protection and acknowledgement and acceptance clause before accepting. After that, click Agree and Apply and confirm your placement. Your transaction now is complete.
Alright, I got it. Thank you so much today. Bye and have a nice day.
My pleasure. Have a good day.